Today we're going to learn indices by using the formulas and also the examples. Okay, the first formula. A power of 0, what do you get? You get 1. Whatever thing power of 0, you will get 1. For example, like 2 power of 0, what do you get? You will get 1. Understand? The second formula. A power of 1, what do you get? You will get back A. What does it mean? It means that anything power of 1, you will get back yourself. For example, like 2 power of 1, what do you get? You get 2. Understand? Then the third formula is whatever thing power with negative 1, remember this, very important. You need to upside down it. Whenever you have the power of negative 1, you need to upside down it. That's why for A power of negative 1, right, what you get is 1 over A. Understand? For example, like 2 power of negative 1. See, you have negative 1 here. So what you need to do is just upside down it. Okay, formula number 4. How if you have power of negative n? No need to worry, as I mentioned in the previous formula. Whenever you see the power negative, what you need to do is you need to upside down it. For example, like if let's say a power of negative n. So what we have is equivalent to 1 over a power of n. Okay, for example, like let's say you have 2 power of negative 3. What you get actually is upside down it, so that's why you have 1 over 2 power of 3. Easy? So let's look at the following formulas. So in these questions, you notice that, right, the first term and the second term have the common base, which is a. So if you carry out the multiplications for the common base, what will happen is we still remain back with the common base, but the power part you need to carry out the additions process. That's why for a power of m times a power of n, what you will get is equal to what? A power of m plus n. For example, like 2 power of 3 multiply with 2 power of 4. Since both also have the common base of 2, the answer we have also the common base of 2, but what you need to do is for the power part, you need to carry out the additions process, which is 3 plus 4. So end up you have 2 power of 7. Easy? Let's see formula number 6. How if you have the common base and then with the division process? Your answer will still get back the common base. Whenever you have the division of the common base, the power you need to carry out the subtraction process. For example, like a power of m divided by a power of n. What you will get is a power of m minus n. Okay, so the numerical example like this: 2 power of 4 divided by 2 power of 3. Right, you still get back the same base, which is 2, and then 4. Remember, whenever division you need to carry out the subtraction process. 4 minus 3, end up you have the final answer of 2 power of 1. Easy? How if you have the power of the power? For example, like a power of m, close the bracket, and then your power again with n. So no need to worry. What you get is you get back the common base, which is a, right? But for the power side, right, you need to carry out the multiplication process, which is m multiply with n. Okay, For example, let's say you have 2 power of 4, close the bracket, and then power again with 3. Power again with 3. What you get is 2 power of what? Whenever you have power of power, in the power part, you need to carry out the multiplication process. That's why you have 4 times 3. End up, you have 2 power of 12. Easy? Okay, so the following formula related to the advanced level of indices. Let's say you have the A power with the fractions of m over n. Okay, then this is equivalent to what? You can carry out the root of the power of m first, then only take the root process of the n, or you can take the root of n first, take the root of n, right, then only power with the m. Either way also can, but I prefer this method because this will make the number smaller, as shown in the following example. Let's say you have 8. Let's say you have 8 power of 2 over 3. So what you get is you can either power first, power of 2, then only take the root of 3, 1 over 3, take the root of 3 lah, or you also can take the root of 3 first, then close the bracket, then only power with 2. So end up when 8 root of 3, what you get? You get 2. Power of 2. Okay, so that's why I prefer the second method, because you make the number smaller lah. Okay, how if you have the power with the negative fractions? No need to worry, as I mentioned in the previous formulas, right? Whenever you see the power negative, what you need to do, remember, you need to upside down it. For example, let's say you have a power of negative m over n. So what you need to do is, remember to upside down it. Okay, then you have 1 over a, 1 over a, power of m over n. Okay, for example, let's say you have 8 power of negative 2 over 3. What you get is, remember to upside down it, you get 1 over 8 power of 2 over 3. Okay, so if which is equivalent to, right, 8 root of 3 first, then close the bracket, only power 8. So end up you have root of 3 for the 8, you will get 2. Power of 2. Okay, so this is the final answer for these questions. Okay, so this is the hardest formula for today's lessons. How if you have the fractions with the power of the negative fractions? So no need to worry. Whenever you see negative, what you need to do is you need to upside down it, okay, but the power will remain the same. For example, let's say you have a over b, close the bracket, power with negative m over n. Okay, what you need to do, upside down it, so that you have b over a, close the bracket, you will still have the same power of m over n. Okay, let's see the example. Let's say you have 27 over 8, close the bracket, power of negative 2 over 3. So remember what you need to do whenever you have negative power, you must upside down it. So that's why you have 8 over 27. Okay, so close the bracket. After you upside down it, right, you can maintain the same power fractions, 2 over 3, no need to change. Okay, this one can remain same. Okay, this one can remain same. So that's why if we further simplify it, we'll get what? 8 over 27. Okay, you can take the root of 3 first, which will make the number smaller. Then only you take the power of 2. So end up, cube root of 8, you get 2. Cube root of 27, you get 3. Close the bracket, you left with the power 2 outside. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay. So see this, look at formula 11. You can see that this formula is special because, right, they have the common power, but the base is different. You know, the base is different. So this is really a special case, right? Okay. So for this kind of the examples, what you need to do is you can maintain back the same power, which is m, but the multiplication process only involve a and b. That's why whenever you have a power of m times b power of m, what you will get is you have the common power of the m, and then the multiplication process only happen on the base. So this is the formula. Okay, let's see how we use it. For example, like 2 power of 3 times 5 power of 3. Notice they have the common power. So what you need to do is you need to maintain the same power, which is 3. Close the bracket and then multiply the thing inside the bracket, which is 2 times 5. So end up 2 times 5 is equal to what? Is equal to 10 with the power of 3 outside. Okay, same rule apply for the division process. If let's say you have the common power but different base. Okay, so what you need to do is your power is going to remain as same as m, right? Then only you carry out the division inside the bracket. For example, let's say you have a power of m divided by b power of n, right? So the power of m will remain same. Build one bracket, then a divide means is what? Fractions, right? Divided by b. So this is how we do it. For example, like let's say you have 2 power of 3 divided by 5 power of 3. Notice both number also have the same power. That's why power you can remain same as 3. Then open one bracket. So what's the process you need to do? Is 2 divided means this by 5. Okay, so you have 2 over 5 power of 3. Okay, that's all for the all 12 formulas, right, that you need to use for the indices. If you like my video, remember to subscribe to my channels. Please share the videos, turn on the notifications and like the videos. For any online class inquiry, you can contact me via this email address. Okay, thank you very much for your time. I will see you on the next videos. Thank you very much.